What is up, guys? It's Crypto Smooth. We're back here for another quick video about KuCoin. Now, KuCoin has been really making some noise. They just passed the 10 million user mark. They have a lot of altcoins, Gamefi coins that most other platforms available in the United States do not. There's an option to KYC. You don't have to trade. And some of you guys will know why that would be great. But anyway, so you could go to KuCoin.com, right? And they pretty much always have some type of reward that you can claim. So this one here, right here, is if you join the futures brawl, and you can earn up to 10,000. If you perform well while you're trading in futures. They have all kinds of tickets. Sometimes you can trade for free on margins, and if you don't know what a margin account is, I will get into that. But I just wanted to show some of the assets and the things that KuCoin brings, such as all these different yield farms, all their different pools. I mean, really, and also I want to bring up that's very important. Right now, there are so many phishing sites for KuCoin. So it's important that you verify that it's not a phishing website, so you do not get your stuff stolen. Please do not do that. That is bad. You do not ever want to lose your assets. Today it is 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on 1/30/22. This is the macro overall right here. They give you, it's trending coins, but it's usually always the Bitcoin, ETH. They give you top gainers. So these are leveraged coins here, and you get 3 times your money, but there's also a decay on these coins, just so you know. And so since these axis 3L, that means you're going long, actually up 27%. That's really low right now, in my opinion. Axis price, but Matic 3S is one of the top gainers, which means you're short on Matic. And to me, that's just right now whales taking profit and other people taking profit as well. IXS just flew a little bit, 30%. FRR, really 58%. That sounds like a pump to me, but hey, who am I to judge? Another great thing about KuCoin is their trading bots. So the KuCoin trading bots, there's actually several types, and I have used them immensely. KuCoin informed me that I outperformed, I think it was 77% of users with my bots. But there's like this one right here, the spot grid bot. So let's say I wanted to create one, okay? So you can actually customize your parameters to how you want it. But for the sake of this video, we'll do fill AI parameters, right? So that gives you a range on where to buy. But let me do something other than Bitcoin, so it's, not crazy. So apparently this is a popular bot right now, HBB, right? So we'll go to fill AI parameters. And that's a pretty wide margin, so I would adjust that. But and then so it's profits per grid, and the way this works, right? So now look, so if I were to deploy this bot right now, with $59 or whatever, what would happen is it would place 100 orders, and some of those orders would buy and some of those orders would sell. And the ultimate idea here is it's a volatility killer. High IV, low IV. It's sell high and buy low. That's the idea. And, that's pretty straightforward. But I know a lot of people make a lot of money with these bots. Woo, wild, they're great. Small caps are amazing on to use for this bot. But another bot I really want to show you is a futures grid bot, which I do not recommend at all for new users. If you're a new user to crypto within the past year, just don't touch futures. It's a quick way for you to go broke, okay? And then they have a dollar cost averaging bot where you would put a regular investment in. You have to do that on the app. So you can set up like weekly, it puts in X amount of dollars, $50 or whatever you want it to be. So the smart rebalance bot is definitely by far the most interesting to me. And so these are some bots that people have already created, and it gives you the stats on them, which I find to be really cool. And then you can adjust them as you go. So let's see, this is an aggressive hot concept bot for NFTs. So we got Mana, Theta, and CHZ, and Suku in here. So if I were to create this bot, okay, now this is the percentage that it will put of your equity towards each of these coins. And the way it works is there's actually a couple different ways you can make this work. And see, I actually have a coupon to get a $100 rebate on trading fees for a Rebalance Bot currently. But so you can adjust the percentages, etc. But that's not really what I wanted to get into. What I wanted to get into here is how you can, just really adjust the bot to where you want. Like, say you're not comfortable with Suku, you don't really understand the asset or know what it is. So you can get Suku out of there. And if you just did that, all it does, right, is it just adjusts the percentages to equal 100%. But you can also add more coins. Now, I don't recommend going over 5, just because then it gets a little bit too spread out over the grid and your profits won't really be where you want it to be. But, let's put H bar in, for example, right? And so now it would take 25% in AI proportion, or you could do it by market cap, and then it adjusts accordingly, or you can make them equal. And you can also use the coins that you already have. So say you own Theta, Mana, you can put those coins and add them towards this bot and include it in the bot. But KuCoin is famous for their coupons. Their coupons are great. They give a lot of rebates back, and especially for margins. So margin trading is you can utilize your assets. So you can basically leverage yourself. So say I owned 7 Bitcoins. I could put 7 Bitcoins in my margin account, and then I can borrow either the currency or USDT. And so, that's what we got on bots. Bots are very powerful, and they're automatically managing your positions. So if you're a hodler and you just hold your coins, using this the first bot I showed you would be a great idea, just because it keeps averaging, dollar cost averaging your positions that way, so you're not ultimately losing a huge amount. And you can have NFT assets in here. KCC has their own chain on MetaMask. It's actually not talked about much, but I think they're working into it. But here is something that I actually just recently started looking into, which is really cool. So you can actually manage your mining rigs through KuCoin, and they want to make proof of work as easy as it can be. And so they created a dashboard for you, and you can manage everything right from here. And obviously I don't have any mining going on here, but You know, it's really incredible, all the different things that you can do on KuCoin, because it's pretty much a one-all solution, really. I mean, and I just want to go back to those bots for 1 second, because I want to show you guys how much like people are earning. I wanted to highlight it, really. So I mean, look at this. So number one for today, this guy made over 8,000% on his investment with Serve. SOS has been absolutely killing it lately. I mean, look at this. It's all SOS. All top 10 bots is SOS today. Anyway, so there's the bots for you. I'm not going to go over future trading because that's a bit much, but leverage tokens. So if you're a trader who knows how to read charts, knows how to do that, leverage tokens can be great, but you have to look into them so you can understand how time affects these tokens, because they affect 3L and 3S differently. And you can also borrow these as well, I think. But so these are 3 times leverage your money. So let's just go and trade some XRP. And that's right, you can trade XRP on KuCoin in the United States too. That's the crucial part, right? So 3S right now is currently at 41 bucks. Because, man, it must have went way down. Because 3S, remember, you're shorting it. Now it almost looks like it's in an exhaustion pattern, but this is not a technical analysis video. What else did I want to go over here? Oh, and also their finance account is incredible. So obviously they have the ETH 2.0 staking, and what's even cooler here is if you need to or have to or want to, you can trade your ETH 2.0, which you can't do on Coinbase, but on KuCoin you can trade ETH 2.0 for regular ETH, and then you're able to trade it again like a normal equity. Then they have all this fun kind of stuff. So here's KuCoin Win. So they have all different kinds of lotteries. So this one, KCS, is their native token, and it's actually a very slept-on token, if you ask me. It's much like Binance BNB. So you bet 3 KCS to win 28 KCS, and that's a pretty hefty payout, as KCS is at 17 bucks, I think, right now. And they just have all kinds of stuff. You can win AirPods, you know, and it's all different. There's USDs, there's all kinds of different stuff in the lotteries. Let's see, what else do we got here? The KuCoin Earn. So you can earn stable profits through your staking. They're huge on the Polkadot ecosystem, but they always have these new pools. So these pools are much safer than a lot of yield farming, and you still get very high returns. Like MTS 60%, and you get pull on top of whatever you're earning there. And these always change. They're always and forever changing. Although USDT and Hydra are always here, it's just the rates are slightly different depending on where we are in crypto. XPRT, you know, you guys should take a look into this coin for sure. Anyway, they always have promotions. Anytime you log in, you can go through 1,000,000 of these and start earning these type of percentages and really earn them. And full disclosure, KuCoin takes a small percentage of your APYs here, but it's not much at all. I've done the math, and it's well worth it for the finance account. But again, margin trading. So based on the rates, you would either select to borrow you know, whatever token you want to actually trade if you're actively trading. And you would decide for yourself whether USDT is a better loan rate or the coin is a better loan rate for 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. And it's great because then even if you go over your loan period, you will not get liquidated as long as you have your assets inside of the margin account. That's the important thing here. So the way KuCoin works is you deposit and withdraw through your main account. To trade regularly spot, you would have to transfer the assets from the main account to your trading account, and then you can trade there your equity. And then you can put your assets into your margin account in order to leverage what you already have and borrow a little bit more so that you can trade with a higher amount of money, really. The financial account is the one I was just showing you about staking and earning and the different APYs. But yeah, guys, this is some of the features. I still didn't even touch on so many features here at KuCoin. It's incredible what they have, like the new NFT stuff they're doing here, the mining pool, their proof of work in the mining pool is amazing. And the crypto bots. Do not forget about the crypto bots. Please, if there's one thing you take from this video, it is that that auto rebalance is a very, very equitable and returnable and great thing because it auto rebalances per grid. And if you read the tutorial about how the bot works, you'll be able to do it for yourself. But yeah, guys, so here we are. My name's Crypto Smooth, and I just wanted to go over KuCoin real quick and show you guys why I use it. And yeah, you know, it's a great platform. I have never had any trouble with any of my assets going where they should be or anything. I've never had a problem with support. And, you know, everything's been good here. And I've run a lot of assets through KuCoin. So, all right, guys. Till next time, I'm Crypto Smooth. I'll see you soon. Make some money. Buy the dip, baby.